model, 2021 Peugeot Boxer 435 Professional L4h2 Blue 2.2 HDI non-runner NEDDS engine repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114,838. MOT, the 25th of April 2025. Engine, 2179 CCDW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine does not start and won't turn over, engine has seized so will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,695 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us